Translate. Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the consumption of soy milk. Soy is becoming an increasingly popular food, especially for those who want to reduce the consumption of animal products or who want to eat healthier. But, what impact does it really have on our health to consume soy milk every day? Let's find out. What is soy milk? Let's start by explaining what soy milk is. It's a plant-based drink made from crushed soybeans and water. It is often used as an alternative to cow's milk and can be found in many natural food stores and supermarkets. What is the right portion of soy milk? So, what is the right amount of soy milk that should be consumed daily? The recommended portion of soy milk is about 1 cup a day. However, this can vary depending on the age, gender, and physical activity level of each person. Health benefits of soy milk. Now, let's talk about the specific benefits that soy milk can offer. 1. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. Soy milk contains unsaturated fatty acids that help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the body, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Promotes good bone health. Soy milk has a small amount of natural calcium, and in addition, it is usually enriched with calcium, making it a source of this mineral. Moreover, soy also contains isoflavones, which can help prevent bone loss and osteoporosis. 3. Helps control blood sugar. Soy milk has a low glycemic index and is rich in protein, making it a good choice to control blood sugar levels and prevent insulin resistance. 4. Reduces the risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that soy and its products, such as soy milk, can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. This is partly due to the isoflavones found in soy. 5. Provides a source of plant protein. Soy milk is an excellent source of plant protein, making it a good choice for vegetarians and vegans who may have trouble getting enough protein in their diet. 6. Promotes healthy skin. Soy milk contains antioxidants, which can help prevent damage caused by free radicals in the skin, and can also help reduce inflammation and improve the overall appearance of the skin. The amino acid profile of soy milk is quite complete and resembles the amino acid profile of animal protein, so it is a good source of protein for vegans and vegetarians. Soy contains the 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own and must be obtained through the diet. In terms of quantity, soy milk contains about 7 grams of protein per cup, which is similar to the amount of protein found in cow's milk. The protein in soy milk is also easily digestible and absorbed by the body. Additionally, some studies suggest that moderate soy consumption can help reduce the symptoms of menopause in older women. Soy contains isoflavones that can act like estrogen in the body and help reduce hot flashes and other symptoms. Precautions when consuming soy milk. Although soy is generally considered safe for consumption, there are some precautions to be aware of if it is going to be consumed frequently. 1. Interference with nutrient absorption. The phytates present in soy can interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients like iron and zinc. To minimize this effect, it is recommended to soak or sprout the soy before consuming it. 2. Interference with thyroid function. Soy contains compounds called goitrogens that can interfere with thyroid function. If you consume large amounts of raw or uncooked soy, there may be a higher risk of developing hypothyroidism. However, most people can consume soy without problems, as long as it is properly cooked. 3. Interference with estrogenic function. Due to its phytoestrogen content, some health experts have raised concerns about soy's ability to mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. However, studies suggest that moderate soy consumption has no negative effects on hormonal function in men or women. 4. Soy quality. It is important to make sure that the soy you consume is of high quality and free from contaminants. Soy is often grown in large quantities, which can increase the risk of contamination by pesticides, herbicides, and other chemicals. In addition, genetically modified soy is commonly used in many soy products, so it's important to choose organic and non-GMO options whenever possible. In general, moderate soy consumption can be beneficial to health, but it's important to keep these precautions in mind and not overdo it. Moderate amounts are most likely not to have adverse effects. Remember to discuss any concerns with a health professional. Also, it's important to remember that the diet should be varied and balanced, and not based solely on soy-based foods. With this in mind, soy milk can be an excellent option for those looking for alternatives to cow's milk or want to add a little more variety to their diet. That's all for today, and thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time.